Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can add items to favorites or remove them from favorites in Grow a Garden. To do this, we're going to follow a few simple steps. Right now, I'm on Xbox, specifically using an Xbox controller on my PC. We're going to look for Grow a Garden, and luckily I already have it here. We just start the game and we'll see how to do this from scratch. Don't worry, this works on PC, Xbox and PlayStation 5. As you can see, we are now inside the game using Xbox controls, and the process is really simple. What we need to do is the following. We're going to open the inventory section, which you can see in the menu. Here we have the settings, the little backpack, and the cosmetics inventory. We're going to select the backpack, which is the section we need. Now, since I'm on PC at the moment, I can't fully demonstrate it, but on your Xbox or PS5, it will work normally. If you're playing on Xbox, all you need to do is hold down the X button, and the favorites icon, or this little heart on the bottom right, will appear. If you want to add an item to favorites, simply press the X button, and it will be added. If you want to remove it from favorites, hold the X button again, the little heart will disappear, and the item will no longer be in your favorites list. As you can see, it's really simple. The only reason it doesn't work for me right now is because I'm on PC at the moment and not using the full console version.